People love to hate on Squarespace for e-commerce. People who don't know any better will say things like, it's too simple, it's not built for serious sellers, or you'll hit a ceiling. We've built stores that do multi-seven figures. They sell custom products, digital goods, appointments, and they're all on Squarespace. So in this video, we'll go through what Squarespace can do for online stores and what it can't, and whether it's actually the right move for your brand. So what does Squarespace do well for e-commerce? First of all, and this is a really big one, is design control. It's one of the only platforms where your product pages can actually look as good as the rest of your brand. So for instance, on Shopify, you don't have as much granular control over the product page as you would like. On Squarespace, you have far more design freedom to build something that matches your brand. I find this especially important for things like lifestyle, fashion, wellness, creative brands. So something that Squarespace does well across the board is most of their tools are built within Squarespace's system. You have a small but expanding marketplace for things like plugins or third-party integrations, but most of this functionality is inbuilt. You've got things like Acuity Scheduling, which is one part of e-commerce. People can pay for your time. Your digital products, they can all be uploaded and sold through Squarespace. I think this whole built-in functionality system that Squarespace has is going to be its trump card versus things like Shopify or Drupal. Squarespace also handles basically all of the essentials in a really beautiful manner. So I'm going to go through a quick list of everything that you can set up within an e-commerce store on Squarespace. You can have your product management, inventory, you can set up all of your variants, subscriptions, you can have digital goods, you can have bookings, so things like Acuity, you can have ticketing, you can have abandoned cart recovery and email automations. Squarespace's UX is also unparalleled. Both the back end and the customer experience are clean. You're not trying to tape together all these separate systems just to run something as simple as a sale. Now, this is huge. If you have a large team, you can make sure that they have the right set of permissions to access your store. Then, speaking of the team, you've got ease of maintenance. You can run your business and your website from the same dashboard. And if you want to hop into the site, you can do so easily. Let's say you want to change some verbiage around a sale, or you want to add a new product. You can log in directly and make changes, and they will be stable. It's really hard to break a Squarespace site. And so having this autonomy over your own business is exceptionally empowering to a lot of business owners. And that's why when people come to us, they're already sold on Squarespace because of what it can do. And they know that with some professional help, they can push it levels above what people think Squarespace can actually do. Now, let's talk about limitations. So this is something that a lot of our clients have requested, and I've seen it a lot in the forums, and it's the fact that Squarespace has limited upsell logic. So things like you may like, or once someone's added to cart, there's a suggestion in the cart maybe, oh, have you considered this? There is no inbuilt functionality for this. Second is the actual third-party integrations themselves. So whilst you've got things like Shopify that have hundreds of thousands of different plugins that you can pop into your store, you don't really have that on Squarespace, because Squarespace like to do things a bit differently and they want this whole all-in-one ecosystem. They don't tend to have official integrations that kind of boost your site. You do have an extension marketplace, so think of tools like SEO Space. If you want to directly improve the SEO of your website, this is listed as a partner on the extension marketplace, which can then plug into your site and then improve your SEO way beyond what Squarespace offers natively. You may also run into limitations if you need complex fulfillment, or even like a loyalty program or custom checkout flows. I know that there are affiliate programs that you can have. I sell a course, Six Figure Design Club. We have affiliates. We use something called Peaches, which integrates with Squarespace. Loyalty programs, something like Shopify, is a better fit for that until Squarespace either bring out their own or they roll out an extension that will allow you to do that. For instance, we had a quite a large enterprise client recently, and we did actually keep them on the platform, but what they had was 11 different locations, and they had separate amounts of slots that people could do to come and pick up their food order. Squarespace did not allow that. So what we had to do was go in and write a really complex script that basically overrode the sort of checkout flow of Squarespace and allowed them to keep stock of inventory, but then also these slots per location. It was very complex, whereas another platform may have a much easier way of even just toggling something on, filling in a CSV file, uploading that, and then having that managed. And then you've got scalability edge cases. So I always say Squarespace doesn't have to just be the start of your journey in e-commerce. It can be the start, the middle, and the end. And we've worked with clients who run thousands of SKUs, but if you're planning to go way beyond that, you might want to consider something like Shopify. If you have a store and you know you're going to have like 10,000 10,000, 20,000 products on there. I don't think personally Squarespace is there to handle that sheer volume. That said, I would say 9 out of 10 businesses using e-commerce, Squarespace will be great for. So hopefully this video has given you some clarity around Squarespace's e-commerce capabilities and if it's right for you and your business. If you do want a pro to build your store on Squarespace, you can hit the link in the description and book a call with me and my team.